Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need to accept a core fact first. Standard Bluetooth runs in the 2.4 GHz ISM band and cannot be retuned by software. Once you've checked the device, identify the exact Bluetooth chipset and firmware version. This tells you if the radio is soldered or modular. Make sure to research compatible replacement modules or USB adapters that operate on different bands, or plan to use a Wi-Fi-based solution on 5 GHz. Start ordering the hardware once you confirm compatibility and driver support. You'll proceed by physically installing the chosen solution. If replacing a module, power down, open the device, swap to the compatible radio, and reassemble. Do this only if you're comfortable soldering. Otherwise, use an external USB Bluetooth adapter. Once connected, install vendor drivers and firmware. Make sure the OS recognizes the new radio. If you chose Wi-Fi audio instead, configure a 5 GHz access point and pair the streaming endpoints. Verify the connection, then test transfer rates and latency for your use case. Finish by validating the new setup under real conditions. Run audio or data transfers, measure range, and check latency to ensure the replacement meets your goals. If pairing fails, make sure drivers and firmware are current and the regulatory domain isn't restricting frequency use. Change USB ports or reseat antennas if using an external dongle. If performance is poor, swap to a known good adapter or revert and try a Wi-Fi streaming approach. One key tip: check system logs and driver status first. They usually reveal the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.